Hi YouTube, how are you doing? Couple of firsts today. We're doing a request shave as a one-off. Don't make a habit of it, people, because generally I just ignore them and do what I want to do anyway. And we're doing an unboxing. So in the last video, Paul Walker asked if I would do a shave with Palmolive shaving cream. The only one I've got is the Palmolive Sensitive. So that's what we're using today. So I said, yeah, what do you want me to lather it with? He went, Yaqi synthetic. I've only got one. So that's the brush we're using today, the Yaqi 26mm 4-horse hair. So that's got the constituent parts out of the way. The blade is a Polsilver Super Iridium on its 4th use. And the razor, it's on loan, it's on the pass around from Against the Grain Shaving Forum. It's UK made. It's made by Reggie. It's Reggie's razors. So this is the box the razor comes in, inside which you'll find the razor in its box. Metal sliding tin. Inside which, in the laser foam cutout, you'll find the razor. It's the Reggie's Razors Titanium razor. So it's a 3-piece, non-adjustable titanium razor. 85mm handle. The base plate is akin to a blackbird, i.e. the handle goes into the recess, and there's the base plate there. It has a 0.6mm blade gap, and there's the top cap. When the razor came, there was a washer in the indent, but it doesn't leave much thread, so I've taken the washer out for now, and we'll get the blade loaded up. So the total weight of the razor is 60 grams. 20 grams for the head and 40 grams for the handle. As I say, it's made from aerospace titanium. There's the razor put together with the blade gap. I would say it's similar to a Mamba from Razor Rock. Obviously the base plate's a bit thicker, but curvature wise and everything else very similar to a Mamba. That's the 0.70 Mamba, this is 0.6, but it's got positive blade exposure, so it's supposed to be quite effective. So Palmolive, I'm just going to lather on the face. So I've got a little bit. I'm not really big into doing request videos, tag videos, or because my normal requests out you there going, oh, but that's normally from people like Scott Newman and stuff like that. So there's the brush. Palmolive should be, it smells exactly like the shaving sticks, which are no longer available. It's a cream, like most creams, it's very easy to work with. Just get it painted on, then give it a drink. Middle of the afternoon and it's dark. It's crazy. So the razor arrived yesterday. Haven't used it. It will be getting used for this video on the face, and then once the camera's off I'll be doing a head shave with it as well, which is always a very good gauge for me as to the abilities of the razor. I like the fact it's got Reggie's razors into the handle. There's no knurling, but it doesn't feel slippy. CNC machined. And polished. However, they do state that some machine marks may still be visible, which they are on the inside of the top cap. But it's nice to see something made in the UK. Palmolive cream is still available, unlike the sticks. You can buy it in the supermarkets in the UK. A couple of pounds for a tub or for a tube. It's not expensive. And it's getting to the stage of where it's almost hydrated enough. Scent wise, it's like the sticks. It's like a fougere sort of scent to it. A little bit of fern and green. There's no real scent to it, so it's quite good because you can wear anything with it. So, Reggie's razors, the Titan. They also do the same razor in stainless steel in 304 called the Saturn. So if the titanium's too light for you, or you like a heavier razor, the Saturn version, the Saturn model, which is exactly the same specs, but in 304, stainless. Of course, not everybody likes lightweight razors. Weight wise, this would fall between, probably slap in the middle between stainless steel and aluminium. I'm about the 12th or 13th person on the pass round list for this, and most people have said the same thing about it. It's mild but efficient due to the blade exposure, not to the blade gap. Nothing at all wrong with that. The angle is fairly intuitive to find and use. And we've got 3 days growth, I think. There is a bit of blade feel to it. You know the blade's there, but even with the Polsilver on its 4th use, it's working. Pretty well. I would even go as far as to say this could be a 2-pass razor. Another towel. Palmolive, cheap, easy to use, ball latherette, face latherette. It's a bit of a no-brainer, ideal for travel really. Certainly gives you plenty of feedback audio wise on the blade. Avoiding the temptation to push or apply pressure with the razor because of the lack of weight. There's not a lot left. Plenty of grip on the handle. Certainly hasn't clogged it in any shape or form. But it's nice to see something produced in the UK. Just the normal touch-up areas, which is part of the course for every razor really. Polsilver will be interesting because there's a couple of weepers there on the chin, which I haven't had for a while. Because the stuff that I'm going to use today has got a little bit of alcohol in it, so we'll have a face wash and get everything cleaned up. Cold water's getting cold, man. It certainly helped highlight the areas where it was a little bit nippy, shall we say. Post shave wise, my good mate Steve made this up a while back. This is a green Irish Tweed post shave splash. You can see there's vitamin E oil and aloe vera and other good stuff in it. A bit of alcohol as well, a few weepers. So we'll give it a good shake just to get it all mixed together. This one is green Irish tweed, so yeah, you can certainly feel it's been a little bit of soreness that could have been used, probably used it earlier. Down to me applying a bit of pressure, but overall a pretty smooth shave. So there we have it, folks, a request and unboxing all in one. I say don't make a habit of the request videos because generally I just ignore them because I'm antisocial like that. So yeah, so today we used Palmolive. This is shaving cream. It's the only one I've got. It's the sensitive version, which was lathered up with a Yaqi synthetic brush as per Paul's request. Hope that sufficed, Paul. I told you what you needed to see. As you can see, there's a few weepers, but nothing drastic. The blade was a Polsilver Super Iridium, which will be going back in the razor for a head shave in about 10 minutes. And the razor was the Reggie's Razors Titan. Titanium solid bar 3-piece razor. First use. Small blade gap, positive blade exposure. Tells you everything you know really. So despite it only being 0.6mm blade gap, the positive exposure more than makes up for that and gives it a little bit of makes it quite efficient. Very smooth shave. Anyhow, we are done. Going to get tidied up, shave the noggin, see what it feels like on there, see how many weepers we can get. Any questions, comments or anything else, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.